Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming which Google account the Play Store uses. Open the Play Store and tap the profile icon. Once done, check Google Payments. This is where billing emails are tied, so you need the new email as a Google account or linked profile. Make sure you have your password and any two-factor device ready. This prevents interruptions. Now, switch to the account selector in Play Store to ensure you're modifying the correct account before moving to payment methods. Next, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. This lives in Play Store or Payments. Google.com. Add a new card, PayPal, or bank account, and link it to the new email's Google Payments profile. This assigns billing receipts to that address. Once added, set it as the preferred method so future charges use the new email. Make sure to verify any microdeposit or PayPal confirmation. This step ensures Google will send invoices and notifications to the correct payment email. To finish, confirm that future receipts and billing notifications go to the new email by making a small purchase or checking recent receipts in Google Payments. If subscriptions still bill the old email, open each subscription in Play Store and update its billing profile to the new payment method. If something goes wrong, clear Play Store cache, force stop the app, sign out and sign back in, and resync accounts. These steps fix most propagation delays and ensure the new payment email is used.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.